Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G. In an exciting development for budget-conscious smartphone enthusiasts, Samsung is set to unveil its latest offering in the affordable 5G segment, the Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G. This new device promises to bring cutting-edge features to the masses without breaking the bank. Let's dive into what makes this smartphone a game-changer in the budget 5G market. A visual treat, display, and design. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G boasts a vibrant 6.3-inch punch-hole display that's sure to catch your eye. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, this screen delivers crisp and clear visuals whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsive touch interactions, providing a premium feel to your daily smartphone use. Durability is also a key focus, with Gorilla Glass protection safeguarding the screen against scratches and minor impacts. For added convenience and security, Samsung has incorporated an under-display fingerprint scanner, allowing for quick and secure access to your device. Power that lasts, battery life, and charging. One of the standout features of the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is its impressive battery life. Equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh battery, this device is built to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Whether you're a heavy user or someone who wants to go days between charges, this phone has got you covered. But it's not just about capacity. Samsung has also focused on charging speed. The Galaxy J15 Prime 5G supports 800W fast charging, which can fully charge the device in just 10 minutes. This means less time tethered to a charger and more time enjoying your smartphone. Capture every moment. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will find plenty to love about the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G's camera setup. The device features a versatile triple camera system on the rear. 1. A high-resolution 108MP primary camera for detailed shots. 2. A 3MP ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos. 3. A 16MP depth lens for creating beautiful bokeh effects in portrait mode. For selfie lovers, there's a powerful 50MP front-facing camera that promises to deliver stunning self-portraits and high-quality video calls. The camera system isn't just about still photos, it's capable of recording 4K video, allowing you to capture life's moments in stunning detail. Additionally, the 20x zoom capability lets you get up close to distant subjects without sacrificing image quality. Performance to match your needs, RAM and storage options. Understanding that different users have different needs, Samsung is offering the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G in 3 configurations. 1.8GB RAM with 128GB built-in storage. 2.12GB RAM with 256GB built-in storage. 3.16GB RAM with 512GB built-in storage. This range of options ensures that whether you're a casual user or a power user, right for you.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more exciting content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new videos are uploaded. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Your support means a lot, so thank you once again.